Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to check warranty status for this laptop. So to check the warranty status, you'll have to check the back cover of your laptop. So let me make it face you. And on the back cover of your laptop, you'll see the S/N field, which stands for serial number. For me, the serial number is MP2P9LTV. The other way to find the serial number of your laptop is by using a LENOVO Vantage application. So if you cannot find the serial number on the back cover of your device, you can open the Microsoft Store, then search for LENOVO Vantage, open this application, download it. To download it, you simply have to press Get right here and then proceed with the installation. It's pretty plain and simple. You don't have to choose anything. Simply wait until the application is installed, and once it's installed, you can find the serial number of your device right here, along with the product number and BIOS version. In this application, you can also check your warranty. Right here, you can find how many months are remaining until your warranty expires, or if your warranty is expired already, you'll be notified too. Now, if you don't want to install any applications, you can open your web browser, open your search engine, go to Lenovo Warranty Check, look it up, and then open the official pcsupport.lenovo.com/warranty lookup website. Open this website, then input the serial number of your device right here, click Submit, and on the following page you'll be able to see when your warranty has started, and also check the end of the warranty. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.